everyone, this is Orfa the Canadian Beast Duck. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make this party favorite mini cheesecake with caramel sauce toppings. So let's get started. First, we're going to crush graham crackers. There's so many ways to crush the graham crackers. You can do it in the food processor if you have one. If you don't have a food processor, you can just use anything that can crush the graham crackers, or Ziploc, just like the one I'm using. Then we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of melted butter and mix this very well to moisten the graham crackers. Now we're gonna put this aside and we are going to prepare our muffin pan. And this is what I do to separate the muffin cup easily. They are packed tightly, so if you don't loosen it first, it's quite a task to separate them. Now we're gonna fill our muffin molds and fill all of them with the graham crackers that we prepared earlier. Then we are going to press it lightly to form it into a crust. You can use back of the spoon or a small glass will also do the work. And now it's the moment that we've been waiting for. It is the making of the cheesecake batter. We need 2 packages of cream cheese, 1 can condensed milk, and 3 eggs. Plus the flavoring. I am using lemon juice. Of course, vanilla flavoring can be used, but I like the lemon juice because it tames down the sweetness. Then we're gonna beat this with electric mixer. If you don't have one, you can use wire whisk. So we're just going to beat this until all the mixtures are smooth and airy. And now we're gonna transfer it into our prepared muffin mold. I like to use the ice cream scooper to scoop the batter because it's easier to use and it minimizes the spills. So this is my best friend in the kitchen, especially when I make something that's needed to be scooped. So we're just gonna fill all our muffin molds and put it into the preheated oven of 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or when the toothpicks inserted comes out clean, it means done. When it's done, we're gonna transfer it right away into the cooling rack and we're gonna put it in the fridge to cool it down before we are going to put the toppings. While we are waiting for the cream cheese to cool down, we are going to prepare the whipped cream. We need 1 cup heavy cream, chilled, and 1/4 cup granulated sugar or white sugar. Beat the cream first until foamy and then add the sugar gradually. We're going to beat this until we get the consistency of a hard peak, not a soft peak. As you can see, I pulled out the hook and the cream is not dripping. So that is the consistency that we want. Or when you flip the bowl upside down, the cream must not drop. And after that, we're gonna put it into a piping bag with a star tip on, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge to keep it chilled. The cheesecake is cooled down and we're gonna top it with a homemade caramel sauce. How to make this smooth and velvety and delicious caramel sauce? I am going to put the link at the end of the screen of this video, so please click it out, guys. My mouth has been watering and I'm just controlling it. I just can't wait to devour this dessert. After all this yummy and delicious caramel sauce, we're gonna top it with the whipped cream. This caramel sauce and whipped cream combination is gonna make your cheesecake irresistible. You're irresistible, you're magical, physical. Oh my goodness. That's how good it is. It's gonna make you sing. So here it is. It's so delicious that will make you forget your girlfriend or your boyfriend. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give me some thumbs up, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go, and also include the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time I have a new upload. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.